Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore a common tool in that office and a significant character in our daily lives, the mini fridge. Here is power supply. It has two types of power supplies, which can be used normally or in a car. This mini fridge is small and lightweight. You can place it on your office desk, and it's capable of storing items like chocolates and fruits. Despite its small size, it has distinct sections. In addition, it can store your drinks. The most impressive part is that it can store your cosmetics. The fridge has a mirror on it and has 3 levels of lighting, making it perfectly suitable for makeup touch-ups. Aside of cooling, it also has a heating module.